What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Vast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm flying solo today without the co-pilot Jax. We are coming to you live from the Miracle Mile in Los Angeles, California, USA, with another LACMA construction update. It's a bit too hot for the boy to join us. We're tapping on some triple-digit weather around here. Flights are going to be few and far between if it sticks up this hot, so we got to get it while we can. A lot of action going on the ground around here. Some real impressive displays of what these crews are capable of, especially when there's some deadlines looming. We might be checking the spot out more frequently next week, given that we're looking at some pretty late stage completion coming up. It's an active site, so we're going to be really excited to see what we see. On that note, it is peanut of your time for the boy. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, give us a sub if you haven't already. Buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks, all that goes a long ways in helping us stay on the road and bring y'all that quality summertime content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, show y'all what's going down. Peace.